Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up?
You forgot the what's good with y'all.
What's good with y'all?
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so today I have my beautiful girlfriend with me.
Sorry, I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Siri's asking you to say it again.
What do you want, Siri? Today, I'm finally about to be giving her a ride in the SE. Literally, since I've had the SE, the engine rebuilt, she rode in the car, but it wasn't on high, and since then, I've just never given her a ride in the SE at 900 horsepower. The reasoning why I haven't given her a ride in the SE is because it was always spinning, the car was always hella sketchy, and it was just so unpredictable. When she's in the car, it's like, I kind of like, I don't want to put her in danger. Usually, you know, when somebody crashes or whatever, it's always the female that ends up dying. Like, the nigga always kills his girlfriend. He goes to jail for life. She's dead. So, to avoid that, I just never gave her a ride. I've been giving everybody else's girls a ride because, you know, that's their girl. It's not mine.
Damn.
Today, we're finally getting her in the car. I know a lot of y'all been like, I'll be like, your girl's gonna leave you. She hates you. You slept on the couch. After that ride along video, did I sleep on the couch?
No.
No. Were you really that mad?
I was mad, for sure.
But were you mad?
I wasn't crying about to leave you mad.
Wasn't crying about to leave me mad.
No.
But was you about to leave me mad without the crying?
No.
That sounded kind of that wouldn't sound promising, yo.
What?
You was gonna leave me?
No.
It was just a ride. I came back home hella fast.
Yeah, I know. You came back home pretty fast. I was surprised, actually, how fast you came back home.
Damn, where's the faith? Where's the faith in this relationship at? You making me look bad. I don't feel like you have faith in me, yo. What's up with this? I'm lost now. But yeah, so we're gonna give her a ride. I'm stoked about this because now I have the car completely dialed in, so I'm 100% comfortable with it. I'm not worried about it sliding, breaking traction, or doing anything hella sketchy. So, yeah, let's get her in the car. Just a heads up, right now, I'm actually running an external mic with the dead cat on top of it, so this is actually a bigger mic setup than what I would usually run on here doing ride-along. So, let me know if the quality on this video sounds better compared to the other videos, because this is an external microphone hooked up to it right now with the big dead cat on top of it. This is the first time I'm using this microphone on all the latest, like, I guess, ride-along videos, you could say. So hopefully it sounds good. Hopefully it doesn't sound like poop, because if this video with my girl sounds worse than the video with everybody else, then whew, I'm gonna be kind of on the sad side.
Can you help me with the...
You struggling too? Come on, yo. So just a heads up, this video is sponsored by Adidas. Nah. We wish it was sponsored by Adidas.
That'd be nice.
It's some free clothing. I guess we can get a couple pictures and stuff like that. Look at you, looking like a real model. Look at you. You looking cute, girl. What's up, girlfriend? We got some good pictures or what?
I think so. I hope so.
Look at them legs. Jeez. I might not charge you that much for the weenie tonight. So right now we're about to go head into Costco, and we're about to grab my granny a little fan thing. One of those little electric fans. I guess she said she was getting hot, so she want to get a fan or whatnot. So still quarantine, so we gotta have this stupid mask on. But we out here socializing, not social distancing. Come on, fan. You're not about to have me in here all day.
Healthy noodle.
Before we start the ride, tradition.
Is
What's the fastest car you rode in?
yours, idiot.
So do you want to feel the low power first, or you want to just go straight to the high power?
I already felt the low power.
So let's turn it up. Now you know I'm not trying to make your titties jump because you ain't got no titties. That was the clutch right there.
I mean, I could try.
Damn, we should have put some toilet paper in there. Push him to the side.
Hopefully I didn't get a nip slip. Just
Girl, hey.
Does it look like I have titties?
No, but we don't need to be whoring out your titties.
How about
No, absolutely not.
Warm up.
Yeah, have to warm up the
Okay.
tires. Get the tires warmed up. Back in the old days, would have been drifting this on
Yep.
ramp.
I have a video of it already.
Huh?
I have a video of it on Insta.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop that clip in here. Drifting this on ramp. Make sure ain't no police at the bottom of here. Alright, ready?
Good.
Fourth gear be like, the synchros are so flip, they don't be wanting to go in fourth sometimes.
Put my hair down.
See, you heard that?
Yeah.
See? It's not me, it's fourth. Look, it's like plunking in there. Fourth gear is Tostitos. I've never brake boosted with you in the car either, huh?
No.
So you remember how before when we used to like get ready to race, people would feel hella laggy? It was like,
Yeah. Like how slow
sluggish.
and then all of a sudden it just
Yeah,
goes.
check this out. Watch this magic.
My hair is all over the place. This is way faster than anything you've done before, for sure.
Yeah.
It's just like the shit's coming too fast.
You real life get like the motion blur? Like
Yeah.
now imagine me driving you in this before with the car hella spinning all over
Hell
the road
no.
in it.
Hell no.
Thing used to be like
I
all
would
over the
be
place.
grabbing for my life.
It used to be sketchy. It's like 875.
Yeah.
So this ain't, remember when I first got the car back when it was at like 920?
Yeah.
So this is not even like on that map.
Why is it not that high?
I just turned it down. It's like you never want to be at 100% of what your car will do. Look at your head. Hey, look hella big. You ready for this dig?
Yeah.
think we just broke third gear.
Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Of course something's bound to happen when I do a ride with you, huh?
Damn, we exploded it.
Gosh. We gotta redo it.
What, the video?
Huh?
What, redo what, the video?
We'll have to do a part 2 or something.
Yeah, it's the trans.
Again?
Yep.
All the ride-alongs.
Damn, it would break on you.
That's what happened to Lex.
Exactly what happened to Lex.
You gonna get it back up and running by the weekend?
I gotta find another transmission because this was my spare, but I'll find another trans probably sometime today. Find somebody who got one. It shouldn't be that hard to find, but I think it's about time we probably upgrade this to like a dog box or something, like a sequential.
Yeah, you go be breaking them every month. Sad.
I know we didn't even get to go swing nothing.
We didn't get to do no donut.
We didn't get to do nothing. Maybe this is my karma for giving everybody else rides. Sounded hella raggedy.
Is it gonna be okay?
It'll be fine. Transmission broke, but whatever.
Is it safe to be riding it like that?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not about to waste a AAA tow for it. What's up? You want to see if we can break another gear?
No.
It's already
Gonna
broken.
break the whole car.
We'll fix it. Destroy it and rebuild it.
No. Trying to go through that again? How long has car been doing? The car's down for hell long. Finally got it back. What happened?
You bad luck. That's what happened.
Not bad luck. That's you banging on the car all the time with all the other people in here.
Banging on them cheeks.
Whose cheeks?
Your cheeks.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
That truck. See, you trying to race us, yo?
No.
We can give it to him in fourth gear. Fourth gear. That's all we need.
No. Then
Fourth?
we gonna lose fourth.
We got fifth if we lose fourth.
No.
Want to give it to him?
No.
No?
No.
You sure you don't want to give it to him?
For sure.
Ready?
No.
Yes.
There's nowhere to go.
Yeah, he do want to go.
There's nowhere to go.
He gonna smoke.
No.
You ready? 200-mile-per-hour pull.
No.
Come on.
We can't even go anywhere. There's too many cars.
We gonna keep telling you.
No. You go into the wall. Stop.
Here, you wanna hold my hand since we can't do nothing? Third gear is basically neutral now. We just now getting back to the house. My mama right here, I guess she cooking. My girl over here making some scrimps. But yeah, so to close this video out. So between all of us, as y'all could tell, obviously I already knew my girl looked a lot better than all the females that I've been giving ride-alongs to thus far. So I wanted to make it clear that I've never undermined my girl's beauty. I know she's, you know, cute, beautiful, pretty. Regardless, like out of all the ride-alongs I've been doing, all that, like I already know my girl's worth. We've been together for what, almost 11 years?
Almost 11 years.
Yeah, 11 years. Literally probably like, I want to say 61% of my current success is, you know, through her. I'm gonna give her 61%.
61.
Like when I first made my YouTube channel, she was the one pushing for the YouTube channel, telling me to
For
do
sure.
it. Before I was making the money that I was making now, like she was literally helping me with like everything on these builds. Like all my other cars, like since day one, she's been like 100% helping me with the builds. My mama know. My mama can vouch for that. That we spent.
I give her
100%. we spent crazy bread on these cars. Like literally, that's why every time people are like, oh, your cars always be like, you know, those are our cars. And what did I tell you? If something was to happen to me and I died, what's to happen?
Everything gonna need her.
Exactly. So if something was happening to me, she takes all the cars, etc. But
I don't got no problem with it though, cause she gonna still be spending money on them. She can't ride them all at one time, but she gonna ride them. Believe that.
You know, giving people ride-alongs is like cool. Y'all be saying stuff like, "Oh, you giving hella big ride-alongs, etc., etc." But like y'all don't understand that.
He
like,
be home every night.
This is like, it's irreplaceable. You can't replace this or something you can't find again. Like my girl looks good. She's independent. She makes 6 figures. She's known about the ride-alongs. The little thing where people say, "Oh, that's your ex." Not my ex. That was just something, you know, a little fling that had happened. Play us up. You know, I'm not in denial. I'm not any less from temptation from any other nigga. Our relationship hasn't been perfect. It wasn't perfect. I've done a whole bunch of typical nigga shit when we first got together and between our relationship.
It is perfect.
But, you know, granted that I have a good woman, she's stuck with all my, you know, dumb nigga shits and all that. So a lot of people are gonna be like, yo, you did this, you did that. At the end of the day, like, she's not going nowhere, I'm not going nowhere. Like, we have a solid foundation that we've built our relationship on. We've already been through the, you know, the bullshit and the gist of it. So where we're at, we're good.
From here.
Yeah, we're good. You know, we're
They legally married because they've been together over 7 years, so they're legally married. That's what y'all don't know. Common law. Look, I put my shit in the freezer.
Oh yeah, also, quick note, this is probably, I'm not gonna say it's the last ride along I'm doing, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna dumb it down because the last couple of days I've literally just been posting ride along. The plan from now on is probably to do maybe 1 or 2 ride alongs a week. The ride alongs are extremely easy to do. I could do those like hella quick. It's easy filler content if I really wanted to, but I don't want to oversaturate my channel with, you know, ride along after ride along after ride along, because, you know, this is still a vlogging build channel. So I want to keep that building aspect to the channel and you know, just not do hella ride alongs like that. So I'll probably do maybe 1 or 2 a week, maybe drop the ride along videos on Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, I know y'all probably tired of seeing hella ride along videos anyway. And on top of that, the LS3 is getting ready to get back assembled. So hopefully by either this week or next week, we'll have the LS3 back into the 350Z, and we'll have some LS3 350Z content. You guys know that I really want to give my grandmother a ride in the LS3 350Z, so she's gonna be the first person that rides in that car. But you know, I got a lot going on this week as far as vlogging goes, and the G35 motor's already dropped off. It should be going in this week also, so I don't have time to do ride-alongs, but just a quick update. Until next time.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a